Are you ready to unlock the secrets of today's stock market? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, stick with us because today, we're diving deep into the trends, the movers, and the strategies you need to stay ahead. Let's make sense of the market together. Welcome to the new era. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of today's stock market? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, stick with us because today, we're diving deep into the trends, the movers, and the strategies you need to stay ahead. Let's make sense of the market together. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we make the world of stocks simple and actionable. In this video, we're breaking down the stock market for today. We'll cover the biggest market movers, trending sectors, and key strategies you can use to navigate this ever-changing landscape. Let's get started. Market overview. Let's start with the broader market. As of today, the S&P 500 is up down by 8%, reflecting investor sentiment about relevant news or economic data, e.g., recent Federal Reserve announcements. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq are showing similar trends, with tech stocks either leading the rally or dragging the market down. Why is this happening? Well, a lot of it comes down to brief explanation of the economic factor, e.g., inflation reports, unemployment data, or global events. Actionable insights for investors. Here's what you can do today. Stay updated. Keep an eye on economic calendars and corporate earnings reports. Set alerts. Use your trading platform to get notified about price changes for stocks you're tracking. Think long-term. Don't get caught up in short-term noise. Always align your moves with your financial goals. Closing. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of today's stock market. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments. What are your thoughts on today's market trends? Thank you for watching, and as always, happy investing.